So hi, how are you doing? I've just recently completed an automation that was solving this problem. So basically, many e-commerce shop owners struggle with managing orders from Etsy and also integrating them with accounting systems such as QuickBooks or even Zero, and also keeping up to date with recording tools such as Google Sheets or even Airtable in a seamless, automated way that actually saves time. So basically, what this particular system does, it is eliminating manual entry. That is, it automatically captures entry orders and also transfers the data to QuickBooks without any human intervention. It also ensures financial accuracy, such as now creating appropriate bills and also deposit in QuickBooks based on order characteristics and also maintaining accurate financial records. The other one, it also centralizes record keeping. All the logs, transactions, details in Google Sheets. This system actually creates logs in Google Sheets and also makes them in a very presentable way, in a way that any record can be retrieved in any moment at any particular time when it's needed. The other particular value that this system offers to shop owners, it actually enables integration with other systems that actually help with creating value and creating useful insight to that particular shop owner. It also reduces human error in a way that now it automates the entire process from order receipt to financial recording, eliminating mistakes that might come from manual data entry by a human. The other thing, it also saves time. Basically, it automates everything from the uh, order processing to the order, completion. And also, it also helps the user keep, it also helps the shop owner work easier by creating a very useful information that now that particular shop owner can use to can make that particular shop owner focus on the things that actually create value and the things that add value to the business. So that was the problem part. So I want us to go now to the automation part that now basically is doing the entire process of the entire magic. So the first step of the system is actually a webhook or a trigger. A trigger basically is something that is listening from another system. In this case, it's Etsy. It's waiting for something to be done on Etsy shop, and it is in that trigger that now a module or a process is started. And this trigger basically is created when a receipt has been made or a payment has been made, and a recording or rather something has been, an entry, an order has been made on Etsy. From there, now the system now gets the data and packages it in a way that now it can use it for its further processes, which we're going to talk later. So basically, what this module is doing, it gets the details and uh, packages them in a very detailed way that the system can now use it later. So the next module is actually decision module, where now a decision is made. And this decision is made based on the order details. Was it about creating a bill? Was it creating a deposit? If either of them meets that criteria, then that entry is recorded. And when the entry is recorded, the system now gets into another mode or another module, which now again routes the direction of that particular system based on the conditions that has been set on this particular module. And one, does the recording has to be made? Now does the entry has to be recorded? Does the entry has any value to the user? If yes, then that data is recorded. For example, an order has been made. Yes, record that particular transaction. Is it a bill? Okay, if it's a bill, then forward that bill to the particular. To the respective um, destination. So what basically this module is doing, this one, is actually routing, or rather, sorry, it's not routing, it's forwarding now the actions to the respective system. This module can be connected to either Gmail, it can also be connected to WhatsApp, it can also be connected to Telegram, irrespective, whichever channel that the user chooses to integrate the system with. So this module, for example, if it was a bill, and that bill needs to be forwarded to the customer, This system, remember, it has all the details from the customer, I mean, from the order details. If it's a bill, then that bill is forwarded to the respective customer that made the order. If it's something that has already been paid, the system records it in the Excel sheet. And this Excel sheet is formatted in a very nice way, in a way that this particular user or this particular shop owner can get the insights, whatever he wants and whatever way that he wants. It can get the value from that particular system by just a click of a button and get my system. This is how my particular business is doing. This is what I've made. This is the profit that I've made. This is the amount that I've invested on, and so on. So basically, this is the entire presentation of the system. It actually creates value from a very uh, simple and automated way that actually saves time, and the user doesn't have to pay anyone to bookkeep their records, doesn't have anyone to balance sheet their records, doesn't have anyone to do their tax return. The system automatically does that. And when the system now presents the information in a very formatted way that the user can just understand it, or the user can just format it with the single line of a click, then the entire process becomes easy. Remember, the module here, the Excel sheet here, the user can also connect it to the other system that he has, or other system that he is usually using to manage his business. He can actually connect them from either of these two modules here, or any other part of this system. You can either connect them directly and let them generate value for you automatically. So that's it. I hope to create more systems that actually create more value to users. Thank you so much, and thanks for taking time to view my presentation. Peace.